Yep. Yep.
Carrie, get ready, get ready. If you want to put something there.
I'm here to see Pat today. And first of all, I want to thank El Salvador and their president for their partnership with the United States of America to bring our children here and to incarcerate them and have consequences for violence against the country. I also want to treat illegally. And if you break a crime, this is one of the consequences you can face. First of all, do not come to our country illegally. You will be removed and you will be prosecuted. But know that this facility is one of the tools in our toolkit that we will use if you commit crimes against the American people.